Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mssilver here, and I'm super excited to be bringing a new tutorial with my purple hair. So I hope you guys like this video, but before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my purple hair. For this look, I am going to be using 3 small blending brushes, and they are all from Mssilver Cosmetics. Good news is these brushes are $5 each. So these are the ones I'm going to be using for this look, and I'm also going to be using my holographic palette, also from Mssilver Cosmetics. You can find it at mssilverlashes.com, and all the information is down on the description box. So to get started, I am going to start with my first transition color. I am choosing a tangy orange just because this is a cut crease look and I really want the transitions to stand out. So I am going to be applying this on the crease of my eye, and I'm going to blend it smoothly. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and skip to a brand new brush to play with my pink eyeshadow. I'm going to be stacking this pink eyeshadow. However, I am going to be staying on the lower side of my crease. I don't want to overlap any of the colors because I do want every color to stand out when I do this cut crease. And lastly, I'm going to be taking this purple eyeshadow. And if you guys can see, this palette is so pigmented. I love it. You don't have to work that hard or press against your eyeshadow that much to get the pigment in, because these eyeshadows are pressed pigments. They're very creamy and very pigmented. So as I apply this color, I am going to continue to stay on the crease. I am going to layer this color for about 4 or 5 times just because I really want that intensity to build up. And once I'm ready with that, I'm going to go ahead and start with my concealer. I'm going to be taking my liquid concealer from Maybelline, a number 20, and I'm also going to be taking a flat brush. This brush, you can find it on my 18 brush set, Mssilver Cosmetics. All the details are in the description. So I am going to put a little bit of concealer on the tip of this brush, and very gently I'm going to start on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna start drawing my crease. I do like to remind you guys that doing this crease is like drawing a rainbow shape on your eyelid. So I think that's just kind of like an easier way to look at it when you're drawing the crease. I would suggest to take your time and make sure your brush is as flat as possible and your concealer is as light as possible. Once I'm done applying the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take that second blending brush, which has the pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to go ahead and start blending the outer corner of my eye. Now, I'm not going to go too far in, too high up. I am going to start building transition. That's why I am starting with the pink eyeshadow, and then I'm going to finish it off with my purple eyeshadow. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take my silver eyeshadow and very gently dab that eyeshadow over the fresh concealer with a flat brush. So I'm going to take my Mssilver lashes in the style Mssilver, of course. And as you guys can see, I'm not using eyeliner for this look. So it's completely optional if you want to recreate, but I am skipping straight to my eyelashes. All the information on the lashes I'm using are also on the description box. And this is it for our eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think, or if you have suggestions or any look that you would like to see, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I post a video. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or on Snapchat, and I'll make sure that I repost you on my stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys again on the next video.